So hi guys, my name is Tina and today I will be showing you this get ready with me pero Halloween version, because actually it's not a get ready with me because I'm not gonna talk, but I didn't plan this, so I just kind of went along with what I wanted to do. I do have a peg in mind. I wanted like a occult, scary with a, I don't know, I really like the smile of the clown, and I don't know, it's just one of the sexy but scary kind of makeup looks on Google. So if you want to see more of that, just search Google and you will find this probably. Basically, if you want to know how I made this look, then please stay and watch the tutorial. I'm actually on my way to Mickey Galang's pre-Halloween party. Guys, if you know me, I take themed parties seriously. Sabi niya, occult theme, go. Halloween, go. Hindi ako magpapa-cute, hindi ako magpapa-bunny. You know, like, I will go all out. So, yun lang. Bye! Okay, so the first thing you have to do is hydrate. Not just your body, but also your face. This is from Pixie. It's a rose tonic water-based toner. This is just to re-moisten your face because it's feeling dry a bit. This is the time where you put on your contact lenses if you are wearing any. Actually, tell me down below if you want to have a quick tutorial lang on how to put your contact lenses and how you take care of it. Just comment down below. For primer, I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime. This is just a nice base for your foundation, just so everything is smooth and will apply smoothly. I usually just apply this all over my face and neck. For foundation, I'm using the Makeup Forever Water Blend. This is super waterproof. It won't really move around, and that's kind of what you need when you're doing Halloween makeup, because you're gonna spend a lot of time outside at night, or if you're gonna be in a hot area, then this will be a good foundation for you to use. This is good for me because I'm super sweaty, so this is perfect. It has barely any coverage, but it works really great. For a fuller coverage, I'm using the Bell Hypoallergenic Foundation. This lasts longer than, so it's good to keep on your face for a long time. Even if you have sensitive skin, this really works well. To really brighten my face, I'm using the Pro Conceal Longwear Concealer. This is called the shade Highlighter. It's actually quite pearly, but it's really white, so I'm using it, but I'm going to go on top of it with a matte shade later. But I need this for base to really brighten the center of my face, because I want it to look kind of like a flashback Mary, but not really, if you know what I'm saying. If you are familiar, the Pro Concealers are super duper full coverage and will also give you that parang flawless look, so it's pretty great. And then I'm just blending it with my Miss Bella sponge. Then just to tone down the pearliness of it, I'm just adding a really light concealer from Kat Von D, and then also blending it around. Just make sure to take your time blending because we are adding a lot of different layers. To set it, I was looking for a light eyeshadow, but this wasn't really working because it super blends lang. I need a white one, like this one from the Warm Spectrum palette. This palette is actually an oldie but a goodie. You can buy it from Sephora Philippines, so it's really nice. It's that shade right there. All of these shades are super pigmented, and it's mostly what I'm going to use for the rest of the look. So if you're looking for a really good eyeshadow palette right now, this is something that I would recommend to you. So I'm just brightening the rest of my face, mostly just the center, because we are going to contour heavily later. To set it all out even more, I'm using Airspun just to really make sure that it's not gonna crease later on, because I don't think I can retouch because of the details that I'll be putting. To add a bit of warmth on the corners of my face, I'm using the Y455 Makeup Forever foundation powder actually, but it's so pigmented that it can actually work as your contour. I use this actually every day, pero ngayon I'm using it with a heavy hand just to really parang make it brown talaga. So I'll be applying it on the areas where I would contour, and just to extend the color of the whiteness of my face, putting it also on my neck just to make it look like I'm not just wearing a mask and that it's actually like my skin color. I actually kind of want to look parang rotten almost, if not parang I've been kind of dead for a while. To deepen my contour more, I'm using this chocolatey eyeshadow from the Warm Spectrum palette as well, and just to really parang make it look dirty, you know, the muddy look that we don't like. I'm doing that on my face right now and putting it heavily on my forehead, and then blending it to my hairline just to make sure na walang white part doon. So just keep adding and adding until you feel like you look weird, and that's what we're going for. And then I'm also putting some details on my neck. I honestly don't know what I was doing, so I'm just kind of randomly putting brown colors on the creases, or not the creases, but like, you know, na pag parang sinikip mo yung leeg mo, parang may konting, may mga umbok. Parang ganon, I don't know, just do what I'm doing. For the brows, I'm using a darker shade of the Benefit Precise Brow Pencil. This is in the shade number 5, if I'm not mistaken, and it's just a darker version of my normal routine, so there's nothing really special about this. It's just a darker shade. Then I'll also be setting it with a darker brow product naman, just to really make it last the whole night. For the eyeshadow, just start with the dark brown shade that we've been using since a while ago, and then just cover mostly of your lids, and then blend it outwards with a lighter brown color from the same Warm Spectrum palette, just to blend it out right there. And also bring it down to your lower lashes and smoke it out because we want a very deep eye look. Just keep going back and forth with your blending, deepening it, blending it, and deepening it, and blending it. Using the same brown shade to contour my nose, just so it's more uniform. Don't worry about it looking too harsh because your whole face will be harsh later. But if you do really care about it, then just go back with your sponge and apply it on top. I'm also applying the dark brown color around my nose. Looks pretty bad, but it adds to the effect na parang something bad's coming out of my face. And then I'm just going to darken my eyes even more with a matte black eyeshadow. It's just pretty basic, applying it in the outer corner and blending it inwards. So that's pretty much it. The eye makeup's fairly simple. It's just a dark, smoky eye na matte. Nothing really new to it. To line my lower lashes, I'm using this black eyeliner from Sephora. It's just a basic eyeliner, but it really colors the waterline, so I like it, and you can smudge it pretty easily as well, so this product is pretty good. And even if mag-smudge siya, it's okay because, you know, this is not a neat makeup look. I'm just setting that with a black eyeshadow as well. For your liquid liner on top, I'm using the Maybelline Curvitude eyeliner. It's the only product that I have on hand right now. I actually need new liquid liner, so please tell me down below what you like. I'm extending it also inwards, making parang a cat eye but in the inner corner. This was actually quite difficult for me kasi my eyes doesn't really, parang the inner corners of my eyes doesn't bend the right way for that kind of eyeliner. I don't know why, it's just not, it doesn't work. Then also just creating a cat eye on my outer corner. I really like this eyeliner because it's easy to create a cat eye. But for the details later, guys, makikita niyo kung gaano siya kahirap ang details. Cat eye, okay. Details, not so much. I'm just going to remove the foundation on my lips because I hate it. For mascara, I'm using this one from the Body Shop. It's waterproof, that's why I'm using it. Not necessarily for lengthening or volume. Then applying some Jennifer High and Silk from Lash Lab on my eyes. Then while I wait for the glue to get tacky, I'm just wetting this sponge to create texture for the corners of my face again, around basically. Parang black eyeshadow spot siya. Parang kunwari lumabas ako sa dirt, parang ganon. Parang ako yung sinacrifice and then nabuhay ako. Parang ganon levels. Pero diba yung tsura niya, parang kang nadapa sa uling, pero yung face mo is like, I'm still pretty, pero ang dumi-dumi ko na. Ganon yung levels na gusto ko. Don't forget your neck. Always. Never forget your neck. Then just apply your falsie, since ngayon it's pretty tacky na, I'm sure. Also, tell me down below if you want me to make a video about applying false eyelashes on. Now for the symbols around my face. I wanted to make sure that I'm not putting anything demonic around my face because I don't want anything attached to me. So I just created a fish na mukha siyang knickknacks. Pero, I mean, I wanted to do a fish kasi parang okay, fine, Christian. And then I just put random lines around it. So, okay, mukha siyang tribal, whatever. And then it's also on the high tops of my cheekbones. It looks nothing, so it's not gonna be scary, and I'm just going to redefine it with my liquid liner, and it's so difficult kasi ang flimsy nung tip nung liner, and I figured I don't think they're gonna be precise naman when they sacrifice people, so yeah, might as well make it look messy na lang. Parang I just started to like not care about the lines anymore. Tsaka hello nga, diba nga, I died na and I just rose again from the dead. So obviously yung liner ko is not gonna be on fleek anymore. To make myself look dead and angry, I'm adding a little bit of red eyeshadow on the areas under my eyes and around my nose. Para kunwari may sipon. Charot! For the lips, I'm just lining around my lips, pero a little bit extending it outwards, and also extending it to the sides to make it look like I have a really big mouth. So it kind of looks like a clown mouth kasi nga we are extending it towards the sides. But I think it's the illusion lang of having a really big mouth. Because you know how when people are demented, they look scarier when they have a big smile or mouth. So I think that's the effect of it. To color the rest of my lips, I'm using this palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color black. It's really opaque, it's really black, it actually lasts long. So this palette is good to have on your kit if ever you plan on doing creative makeup professionally, perhaps. It's really nice. You just gotta work your way in because it's very pigmented, but you do have to layer it a bit. So now our lips are starting to get a little crepey. O, diba? Mukhang Joker. I'm just, natatawa ko kasi nagmukhang cat when I smile like this. Look. Shading also around my lips just to make it look a bit dirtier. And then also adding a red matte lipstick from Maybelline Matte Ink just to add a bit of dimension and color in between the lips. Maybelline Matte Ink lipsticks are also very, very long wearing, so you're good for tonight. Okay guys, so this is the final look of my demented, parang occult style makeup. I don't really know what this is. I just know that I wanted to still look pretty but scary at the same time. So parang siyang clown with a mix of like demonic possession. I don't know. Lord, sana naman wag. Oh my god. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this. Please tag me if ever you do this makeup for Halloween. I think I kind of want to put blood on it. Okay, so I have staged blood right here. I'm just gonna add some. Okay, it's too much blood. Fade it in better. I like this. Okay, now it's creepier. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. By the way, the stage blood is from Ben Nye, but I know that BYS has fake blood, so feel free. Actually, the sponsor for Mickey Galang's event is BYS, so feel free to check their makeup out for more scary makeup products. So that is it. Kayang-kaya of today is right here. Congratulations. I love you so much. If you want to see more of my videos, please don't forget to click the post notification button. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I update there all the time. So with all that said, I want you guys to never forget that you are beautiful. Bye. God bless.